it. So guys, I missed you so much, and it has been like a week without giving you any content, and I'm so sorry about that, guys. I was actually so busy preparing for this video right now. I was buying few things here and there, and yeah, so it has been a minute, and I'm so excited, guys, to do this video because I'm actually nervous and I'm not sure why. I'm so like tense, like I can feel my stomach. I don't know why. So I've been wanting to do this video for a while for my baby girl. So I want to do like a little makeover for her bedroom. No, actually, I won't say a little makeover because it has costed me money. Yeah, okay, so that's what's up, guys. And in case you are new here, this is your first time to see my page. I have a daughter. I'm married with one daughter, yeah, Taraji, and most probably for me I call her Taraji, and in school they call her Leila. So the one you feel it's easy, yeah, that's. So I'll be doing an extreme makeover for her room and to make her feel special, because last year I didn't do much for her birthday, which was on September, but I told her like I will make it up to her. Okay, she can't understand that, but to me I felt like I need to do something for her. And since this is February, the month of love, so I will be extending that love to show her, because I have noted that my daughter is like, she knows so many things. She's getting attached. She's 4 years old and she's noticing so many few things, little things we are doing for her. Like every time I get her something, she's like, oh mommy, thank you so much. And she's like, mommy, do you have a surprise for me like that? Because I normally surprise her with little things, not every time, because you know when she gets used to it, she'll grow like that. But she's appreciating. I can see she's growing, so this will make her really happy. And yeah, she's in school right now. But are you ready for her tour? Because most of you, I'm sure, they'll see this room for the first time, and I want you to be the judge of it, because you'll tell me whether the makeover will be late, because we need to change few things, like starting from the curtains, everything. And when you saw that room, you'll let me know, guys, because you'll know like we need a change. I just want her room to be like a little heaven here on earth. My English. Will you keep quiet? So guys, let me tell you one thing. I've been watching too hot to handle on Netflix, and the English on my mind, it's like it's coming out differently, you know. I've been watching these guys and I feel like I'm talking like them, you know. You get it? Anyway, I'm African, so you understand my English. So, and I'm so proud of myself, guys. If you know the school I went, like the school that I'm so proud of myself from where I've come from, because my primary school was not even those schools you are proud of. We used to go barefooted, and you know, yeah, long story short, so my English is not coming the way, you know, the way you are thinking. It's not the way it's coming out, you know. But anyway, let's continue. So where was I? Oh yeah, I want to make her room like a little heaven here on earth. And I know she will be really excited. And I just want to spend this moment like we are really connecting with her. So I'm so grateful, because when growing up, like let me tell you a story. When growing up, I didn't see more of my mom, because she was always working. I've come from a very, very humble background, you guys. We didn't have anything. Like I said, if you have been watching my videos, like my dad had 3 wives and my mom was the 3rd wife. So I didn't see much of her. She was always hustling. You know, hustling is like working on people's fields, and every time I could get sick, I didn't even know where she was. Like, yeah, it was so hard. I didn't blame her. I'm so proud of her, because she made sure we were eating and all. We felt like actually when I come to think of it, she was doing well. Actually, that's why sometimes I just want to her to make her feel like she did something great with us. Yeah, that's why I try to appreciate her more often. And yeah, so I know most of the moms here, like, they are working and they don't get time to for their kids, which is a bit, you have to some have to work so that they can feed the family. But for me, like, I have this opportunity to spend time with her because I'm a housewife, I'm a stay-at-home mom, a content creator. So I'm just one of the blessed ones because I can stay at home and take care of her and do my things. So yeah, so that's why I'm so grateful and I have this moment with her. So I will show you a little bit of the tour, then we can do a makeover with you guys. I'm so excited and I can't wait to show you what's up. Guys, let's get to it. Let me show you the way the room looks like. So guys, as you come in, this is what you'll see the first thing. What do you see the first thing when you enter? So you'll find this mirror here, which she loves the most. And on this mirror, you'll see on this door, I put this decor here, decorations. She loves these cartoons or something, So I put some decors on the door. So then you see the mirror here. And then there's a mat. This mat is so cute. I love it. And then let's start with the closet here, guys. So you'll find up here I kept a few things. This is her nasal syrup. Every time she has like a cold, but I don't use it more often. Like right now she's not using it, so she has her soaps there, oil, Dettol, and okay, this one we were given in the hospital, especially when she had rashes. And yeah, so our clothes most of them are here, and we have more here. These are just her sweaters and sleeping pajamas, So one thing I want to change in this room are these. You see these toys, I don't like when they are here, and I'm not sure whether these toys are like they are less. I don't know where some are, so I want to make somewhere I'll be placing the toys. That's one thing I really wanted to change. So our closet is so big. I did this decor. She loves this cartoon. And she was like, Mommy, are my eyes red? Because this cartoon has like red eyes there. I don't know. She loves it. Okay, on this side, I've placed some duvets, some bed sheets of her. They are there. And extra towels. And up there, I just put our duvets there, and our extra curtains are there as well. So, and these drawers, there are so many things. So I put some t-shirts here into dresses, and then stockings, trousers are here. Yeah, this is where I put them, because every time I put I felt like when I arranged them here, she was like removing them, trying them on all the time. So as you can see, guys, we put this seat. This is our extra seat, which our living room is a bit smaller, so I wanted a little space, so I put this seat here, which fits. It takes a lot of space because it's so big, but this room is quite big as well because her bed is 4x6, as you can see. So she loves this thing. She called it baby rabbit, and we have the horse here. Those are her favorite toys. And this one here, baby hat. Those are her favorite toys. So on the next thing, do we start with the bed? Yeah, this is her bed. So one thing I want to change about this room is the net. You guys see? If you check this well, I did this on my own. You see this net, I need to change it because it was a 4-stand net. I've bought a couple of these nets and they are not working. Those stands are like breaking. They are so weak, and especially with a kid, she's she's playing with the stand, and I feel like, so I was advised to buy a net which is round, which will go up here. So I want to remove this net as well because it's so ordinary the way I've put it. But I don't know why people come here and love this bedroom. It's so cute. The way I've placed this net, but it's not so. It has like turned up and all. So I needed to change the net. That's second thing. And then the other thing we'll be changing is this mat. This is a way to her bathroom, which we'll get there later. So I want to change this mat because as you can see, it's a bit white. It's off the room, so the color is a bit off. So that's what's up. And then on her, this is the wall. So I have placed some pictures here, some decors. As you can see, the cartoons and all. They are so cute, you guys. Was like my dream bedroom when I was growing up, but you know. Yeah, so we get to the other side. There's a large window over here, and the light is like coming on this side, so it's not clear. It's not light. I don't know how we will stand so that we can see properly. So I need to change these curtains. You see, I don't know, the light. These are the curtains which are in my bedroom. I need to change them. I don't know whether you can see properly, guys, because it's a real low. The lighting is too much on this side. But if you have been watching my videos, these curtains are familiar. So I want to change them and feel like I want this room to be like a kid. Like when you enter this room, you'll notice it's a kid's room, especially a girl's room. That's what I'll be doing. So yeah, guys, so far tell me what you think. There are so many decors in this room, like this as well. Decorations, she loves them. And then I will be changing what else. So don't mind this. So there's a mattress here which you can't notice well, so that because of the way I've put it. So this is the guest mattress, which when I have guests, like when her cousins visit, they sleep on that mattress in this room. So yeah. So yeah, guys, so let's get to her bathroom. And I don't know whether I have the bulb. I feel it's okay for now because it's a little bit white and the light is good for the bedroom. So let's get to the bathroom. So her slippers are here, and this is the actually her bathroom is actually wide and so lit. Like the light is so good. So she normally uses this back. Is it a basin? Yeah, she's still using this. She doesn't like the shower, and that's her soap there. Then her toothbrush, and her mirror over here. You see. And then we still have this here. I think that's it for her bathroom. It's not much, but this, let me tell you guys, one thing I know about this room, it's so wide and so big, and it's just for one baby, a little baby here. So guys, let me know is this. So I'll be changing the things I've been saying, and some of you will see when we do it. Yeah, so let me know what you think about this little
where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares?
Let me know what you think, and I don't think I've left something So actually this is like my favorite room. You know, the sun is comes here in the afternoon, like the sun hits this room and it lights it up. At night it's so warm and cool. Like Taraji is coming to sleep and I bring her to sleep because you have to stay with her. I find myself sleeping, you know, even if, you know, she sleeps early because of the school. Yeah, so it's like my favorite room in this house. This is like my favorite. I don't know, it's because it's our baby's room, so I feel like, yeah, it's so good. And I need to change just few things, and when we get some extra cash, we'll do another thing and another thing and another thing. So this is just a start, guys, and I wanted to start with her room because even our room, like our bedrooms, need a lot of changing. So, and for me, I don't like the pressure. I like to do my things on my pace, at my pace, and just one step at a time, one step at a time. I don't feel pressured by people or anything, because hey, that thing is really bad. So that's why I will be starting Taraji's, just a little touches there, here and there. Oh my god, English is Englishing. Yeah, and then what else? Then we see what we'll do next, because guys, this is, then houses have a lot of work. I have never given you a house tour because, you know, I needed to change a lot of things. I started with my kitchen, and my kitchen even needs more things because I need to change a lot of things. And then our bedroom there, it's looking at me, staring at me like that, because I don't like the vibe in my bedroom, like the duvets, the bed sheets. I just want to change something else to something else. And then there's our living room, you know, it's staring at me. And then our balcony, yani, there are so many things we need to do, but we can't do everything at the same time. So that's why I say, and let me start with a few in Taraji's bedroom. But when I get money, you know, well, if I can get a miracle, and then I can do things, all of them at the same time. But for now, I don't. So yeah, we have to wait and work hard, work really hard. So yeah, guys, that's what I really wanted. So I won't be showing how, I will be sharing the video on the next video, cause like now it's on a Friday, and like the net I can't manage to put it there. My hubby is the one who will be doing that, so I can't do the things right now. I just wanted to show you her bedroom tour, which is a must and suit, and I'm so grateful that we have she has her own toilet and a bathroom. You know, it makes me feel so good because she doesn't share. And then one thing, yeah, so yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe, guys. Let's get to 3,000. Let me just surprise me, and like it will be like, wow, we're on 3,000 subscribers. And always leave a comment. Comments are very important. In, yeah, just say it, even if it's a negative comment. Everyone has, you know, has her right to comment, and you don't have to be rude, because most of people are so rude. And yeah, you just tell me what you think of, because everyone has their different mindset. So yeah, so let me know what do you think, guys. So I see you on our next video as we reveal the bedroom, what you have changed. Oh my god, you are going to love this, guys. You are going to love this room. Like, I'm actually in love with this room. Most of the time I find myself here on this seat, and I feel like this seat takes a lot of space, but we have no choice. Like, it has to stay here, but it helps Taraji a lot when she is changing and all. She sits here sometimes. Yeah, so that's what's up, guys. So I'm sure you love this video, you'll love this room, guys. I bet on this. Yeah, so I see you on my next video. Bye.